Come and join me as we host a photographer's workshop here at our Portsmouth studios. We had a full house. There's Fliss, who oversaw everything, and here is Mars, our amazing model. We had a photographer range of all ages, from people who just graduated their GCSE to retired enthusiasts, and they were all learning in studio how to use off-camera flash. I was showcasing the Elinchrom lights to everyone, first of all with the presentation, and then with a very short demonstration showcasing how to use one light setups. And then it was the thing that everyone wanted to get on board with, the hands-on tutorial. People bought their own cameras, all different brands from all different backgrounds with all different lenses, and we showcased the lights and showcased the soft boxes and all of the modifiers and how we can use simple lighting in easy ways to get great results. It was wonderful to meet so many people, to have so many people come through our doors and to share the enthusiasm and love for photography. That's what I love most, and the camaraderie there was between everyone, especially towards the end of the session, where everyone's trying different things, trying different techniques and sharing their work with each other. It was really, really wonderful to see. Thanks to the societies for sponsoring this event. Sign up to them for more workshops and join us on our YouTube channel, No Fuss Muss, for more learning.